Now let's see about the open URL redirection through some parameters. So parameters are normally the attribute that is associated with the URL that will be responsible for the URL redirection. So we'll just see some of the important parameters and we'll see the live action of those vulnerabilities in the next lecture. But for now, let's get some theory over here. So these are the couple of parameters which will be responsible for the redirection. So you'll have the redirect, path, URL, open, dir, navigation, view, show, return, next. So if you ever get some parameters that starts with redirect, then you can simply open that parameter and just make sure you enter any URL to that redirect parameter, and let's see that if it redirects to that website or not. And if it redirects, there should be the URL redirection, but if it doesn't redirect to the new web page, then there is no open URL redirection. So we'll just see some of these parameters, which is basically these get parameters, and these parameters are really important because these are the primary parameters that will just give us some URL redirection. So here are quick examples. So you'll have any URL over here and there will be your URL parameter that will be embedded in the original URL, and with this URL parameter you can now inject your target HTTP websites. So you can have your HTTP website over here. This can be malicious website that can contain the payload, or you can put any website over here. So you will just target for this URL, for this next, or basically this is also the next parameter, and you can also see for the URL that is with the encoding. So instead of just HTTP, you can just encode like this way so that it would be open URL redirection. And the next one is a view over here. So view is also responsible, as we have already shown here that in the number 7. View is also the parameter that is responsible for the URL redirection. So there can be the target directly embedded in the view, and another is login to. There can be the login to parameter, return URL parameter, will inject the payload or a list of a payload that can be the customized payload or that can be simple payload, and we'll see all of that examples in the upcoming lecture and get good grasp on each of these terms of the URL redirection. So see you in the next one.